Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace the grille on Volkswagen Touareg right here that we have at the shop. And also, guys, check out on our main channel, World Mechanics, the ZHP beautiful build that we have. Not so beautiful now, but it will be, I promise. And now what you need to do in order to remove and replace the grille, guys, you need to open the hood. After that, you can see those little holes here. You need to get a screwdriver, press down and pull on the grille at the same time. Okay, you see, it's gonna come out. Okay, still a little bit holding here and there. Okay, and then you need to grab it, and right here we're still holding a little bit. And now, guys, there is a hidden screw that you need to get to. So what we need to do, we need to remove the Volkswagen emblem on the front. So if you get a small screwdriver or a prying tool preferably, so you don't damage it. Okay, there is 3 clips holding this one. Okay, so we're just going to pop it open now. Just careful not to break it, go a little bit at a time and don't scratch your grille. That's why it's preferably to have a plastic prying tool. Okay, almost out. Okay, let me show you the 3 clips now that are holding it. You can see 1 on the bottom, 2 on top, right here. Now, with the T30, there is 1 more. Okay, that screw that we told you about right there. So you need to go ahead and remove it. Okay, we already released it on top, so well, it went in again on this side, so we'll need to push it in. Okay, and the grille, guys, is just right out of there. You can see how simple it is. You put it together, guys, in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And so, guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now, check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.